In this video, I'll show you how to add a 1098T on TurboTax. Once you are on your TurboTax account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side, and at the bottom below 2025 taxes, you want to choose the second option, which is federal. Now below federal, you want to choose the first option, which is income. Now below federal, you want to choose the second option, which is deductions and credits. And once you click on deductions and credits, it will take you to your tax breaks. From here, you want to scroll down, you should be able to see expenses and scholarships, which is your Form 1098T. If you can't find that, at the very bottom, you will see the search bar, and from here, just simply search for 1098. Once you do that, at the bottom, you will automatically see education, and from here, you can proceed with the expenses and scholarships, which is your Form 1098T. So on the right-hand side, click on Start. Now it will ask you if you have your education expenses. Let's say yes, this should be your tuition fee, or without a 1090T, your books and more. You can also add your scholarships and other aid. At the bottom, click on Continue. From here, you want to add which person was a student in 2025. You can choose yourself or your spouse. It will also ask you with your education info, so let's say yes. Now from here, this is where you need to upload your 1098T. You can either do it from your computer or snap a photo with your phone. At the bottom, you can even choose to type it in yourself. Let's say you want to upload, so click on the first option. Make sure that it is selected, and then at the bottom, click on Continue. Once you do that, you should be able to browse or drag and drop your files in here and should automatically be read within TurboTax. If you do decide that you want to type it in yourself, at the bottom, click on it. And once you do that, it will take you to the section where you need to add your school info. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.